Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a subflow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to click on setup and basically now we need just to search for our flow builder by clicking on flows and we need just to go here to the flows. We go and click on new flow and it will take us to the flow builder. So now we need just to start any type of flow that we would like. And here we will need just to click on screen flow as an example. I'm just going to create, and from here you can start adding your elements, and you can, for example, add an assignment. You can then have a decision, which is an if else, and it will take some both outcomes, etc., etc. So let's suppose at the end we want to have a subflow. So basically you can have subflow here or you can just search for it. So I'm going to have the subflow and from here you can search for your flows. And basically you need to already have your flows in your flow list and you can choose from them. So here we have all these list of flows and we can choose from any of these flow here. So if you want to have other custom subflow, you will need to go and create a new one, and then you will need just to search for the subflow. So I'm just going to search for my flow if I have already created ones, and there is, for example, this one. So from here, we need just to add, and basically this subflow needs this input value. So you want to include it, and basically, for example, you can have the assignments inputs to the subflow because this subflow needs these inputs. And you will need just to click save at the end, and then you will have your subflow added. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.